Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. Thank you for joining us today. Did you know that June is Dairy Month? I'm so thankful for June because we get to celebrate all of the hard work that dairy farmers put into their work. Every day they are working hard to make sure that we have dairy products to enjoy, whether it's chocolate milk, regular milk, cheese, butter, or my favorite, ice cream. Dairy farmers are working hard, milking cows early in the morning, sometimes at lunch, and then at night. Randolph County is number 2 in dairy cattle in the state of North Carolina. Did you know that agriculture is actually our number 1 industry in the county? It employs over 8,000 people. There are so many things that we could talk about how you are affected by agriculture in your everyday life. But today we're going to focus on my favorite, ice cream. So we will be making Wendy's Copycat Frosty ice cream. So we'll be using a homemade ice cream freezer. I have all of the recipes, have all the ingredients here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. Our lovely Jody Terry has joined us, and she will be helping make our Wendy's Frosty Copycat recipe today. So we're going to go ahead and get started. When you're making homemade ice cream, I found it's easier to go ahead and fill in the ice around your bowl before you add your ingredients. So Jody is going to scoop some ice in our container.
Like this?
Yeah. Go.
Okay.
So she'll put the ice around the lovely bowl.
I did wash my hands.
Yes, our hands are clean.
So what are we going to do when the ice is around it, Allison?
So after the ice is around it, we will go ahead and add in our ingredients. So this recipe is very simple. You need 3 ingredients. The first is your sweetened condensed milk, then your Cool Whip, and half a gallon of chocolate milk. Food Line did not have half a gallon, so we got a whole gallon. Support your dairy farmers, y'all. So we'll go ahead and add in the sweetened condensed milk. This has a pop top here. Go ahead and get that open.
Oh, so thick.
So take the lid off. Just pour all that in there.
So is this chocolate frosting?
Yes.
Yeah. Is this gluten-free? I have friends that are not able to.
Yes.
This is
will
a gluten-free recipe.
Gluten-free.
Good to know.
Gluten-friendly. We'll get a spoon and scoop the rest of that out over this way. Kids, if you're cooking at home, be sure that you clean up your mess as you go. Makes cleaning up at the end a lot easier.
Absolutely. All right, I think we got the good out of it.
Perfect. So we'll just set that to the side and we'll add in the Cool Whip.
Does it need to be thawed out, or can it just sit in there?
You can put it in there frozen. It'll be fine. Just when we mix it all together.
Okay. Ooh, I can just do it like this. So can you use like the Cool Whip, the whipped cream that's in the spray can, or just this kind?
I've never tried that, but I'm sure it would work.
Okay.
So then we will go ahead and pour in half a gallon of chocolate milk. We'll probably just fill it to the top or the fill line, whichever comes first. That's a little more than half a gallon there, but it'll be okay.
Okay. All right.
So I guess we can take this out.
Oh, you don't use that?
No, we do, but
Oh.
for mixing. Okay, so we've got our ice cream all mixed up and ready to go. So we have ice around the base of our canister, container, whatever we want to call it. And we're going to add in the rock salt. The rock salt will help the ice cream to freeze faster. So you just kind of layer it in and then we'll add more ice on the top. So I'm just going to pour it around the base of the container here. The more the merrier, it'll help it freeze faster. Okay. So now we're ready for more ice. And just remember that you have to put your motor on top. Take that into consideration when you're putting your ice. We'll just pour some more rock salt.
So there's not a set amount we need to put on there?
No. Usually half a box is what I use. These are always a little tricky, fun to put on.
Did you have growing up, the crank kind, your parents, that was before your time? Some of y'all might remember the wooden bucket, and my dad would put newspaper on top right here, and we would sit, me or one of my sisters would sit on top of it so it wouldn't jump around, and he would crank it. It was a Sunday afternoon well spent.
Okay. All right. So now we're ready to plug up our machine. Make sure you have an outlet, counter's clean, and be careful when you are moving it. We'll plug it in and we'll listen to it. When it stops, that means it's finished, but we'll check on it.
And when we come back, we'll taste it.
Hey y'all, so our ice cream just finished, and let's check and see what it looks like. So when you're making the ice cream, sometimes you have to add more ice as you go along, so that's something you'll have to watch. We didn't talk about that earlier. Oh, it looks perfect. So we will get a spoon, and Jody is going to be our taste tester.
If I must. Okay.
If you must. Okay.
Color me tickled, because this looks so good. All right.
Jody, did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did wash my hands. And now I'm going to try Allison's famous Wendy's Copycat Frosty. Delicious.
So this is the first recipe of our summer ice cream series. We'll be sharing 3 other recipes. We hope you try it with your family and enjoy. Thank you for watching.